Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a gratis haul to share with you. So I've got a nice bag of goodies, and first of all, let me address my appearance. I know I look like a drowned rat or something. I honestly just decided to give myself a break because I was going to come in here after I showered and put on my makeup and get ready to film this video so that I would look cute doing it, and then I'm like, no, I'm tired. I can't. This is my second day off in a row, and I have spent the literal entire 2 days cleaning out my closet. I've been getting huge bags of donations ready. I literally wanted to simplify, purge, and organize because it was a disaster. I will definitely show you guys more of that in my vlog. Is my camera crooked? I also did my taxes, cleaned the house, did a ton of laundry, and I have not rested this entire time. Also, once I'm done with this video, I'm going to tackle this room, which I'm so glad you guys can see that mess. That's why I have on no makeup and wet hairs, because I literally jumped out of the shower and came in here to film this. I was just really eager to film this, take a look at everything, and get it up for you tonight. So that's what we're going to do. So I have been accumulating this at work for probably about a month or so. It's been a little while since I've done a gratis haul. So I'm just going to take things out at random and show you. If you're not familiar, gratis is free products from typically a cosmetic store. I work at Sephora, so obviously my gratis is coming from Sephora. So the brand sent us product to familiarize ourselves, get training. I am very, very grateful to get these things. Not only is it just fun, it's a nice perk of working there, but it really helps me too, because I can generally, at least half the time, be familiar with the product and tell you about it. First thing I have is the Hydra Life from Dior. This is the Micellar Milk No Rinse Makeup Remover. So I'm excited to try this. It says no rinse cleanser. I'm guessing I would use this more of like a makeup removal step, is what I'm assuming. I usually find that the Hydra Life line I typically like. The only downside to Dior skincare is it's so nice, but it's very fragrant. And sometimes I will have an irritation with their products as well. But this one's really convenient because you can massage it in and then wipe it away. The next thing I have is the Hourglass Veil Translucent Setting Powder. That's what it looks like here. It's so bougie. Ooh, yeah, this, I put a little bit of that milk on my hand just to feel the texture. It is so fragrant. It's so strong. I just wish they would stop doing that. Just like, you have great products, they don't need fragrance. It's kind of like where I am. But anyway, I am so excited to try this. I feel like this is something that's super nice to receive. I was thinking about purchasing it and I'm like, no, I don't need another setting powder, but I really wanted it. And it's such a beautiful powder too, how they have the gold inside and the little H for Hourglass is your sifter. Yeah, just really lovely packaging, and I can't wait to dive in and try it out. I got from First Aid Beauty the Ultra Repair Barriere Cream. So it's like barrier, but Barriere. That's what it looks like there. This one's very interesting. It literally has the strangest texture. It's like bubbly, frothy. It's also raining really hard here, so if you can hear that, I'm sorry. But it's got like this really unique texture to it, but it almost like feels like it bubbles as you massage it in because of the air pockets in it. It literally smells like water too. So if you want something really good for sensitive skin, no fragrance whatsoever, super light, this will probably be a good one. I also got a mini Ultra Repair Cream. This is just their original moisturizer, really great for dry skin. I got a couple little guys from Glow Recipe. So I got a small size of the Watermelon Sleeping Mask, and then I also got a small size of the Avocado. For me, I'm an avocado girl. I am more on the dry side. So for me, this is amazing. I'm actually going to put a little bit of this on. I did buy the full size in the little gift set with a sleeping mask. I just have not been able to break into it yet because it's so cute. The watermelon, everybody really loves. To me, it's just not enough moisture. So if I were using this, I still have to put it with something else or I'm going to wake up feeling a little dehydrated. But the avocado is amazing. Highly recommend if you're dry. It also came with this adorable pin. So it says, wear this pin so clients can see how amazing avocado can be. So that's the pin right there. It's so cute. This was actually a bag from a NARS holiday kit. I think it was 4 lip pencils and it came with this bag, and we made a tester of the set and we never did anything with the bag, so I was like, hey, I really like that. So it's got like little safety pin designs all over it. I just thought it would be cool. This is a Sephora Collection magnetic palette. miscellaneous magnets. That's really nice because I have a few pieces of, I think it's Ciate, that all came with like plastic backing, but they're like loose shades. And I have some metal backs that I can apply to them. Really excited about this actually. I have from Summer Fridays the Jet Lag mask. Really excited to give this a try. I haven't really tried anything from Summer Fridays. I think I may have tried the other mask, the one that's pumpkin, I think. I like that one a lot, but I only just sampled it, so I'm really excited to be able to try this one too. And you guys know I love some hydration. I got 2 of these little Drunk Elephant I don't know if it's Passione or Passione retinol cream from Drunk Elephant. These are little mini guys. I'm excited to give this a try. I know with this one you're supposed to kind of start slow and build up your tolerance to it. Oh, I'm really excited about this too. This is the Bum Bum Soul Oil Broad Spectrum SPF 30. I'm pretty sure that this is a new item. It says illuminating sun protection oil for Brazilian babe skin. Also, it's got this little surfboard floating in there. It's like right here. I don't know if you're going to be able to see it well. It's floating up. That's so cute. I'm going to spray this on my arm. That smells really good. It smells just like Bum Bum cream. I'm gonna have to look this up and see if it's available. It's also water resistant too. I don't know if you can tell the difference. It just made my skin look so healthy and pretty. I got 2 things from Nest. This one I think was like a little extra, but I got the Wild Poppy Eau de Parfum. I love this fragrance. Ever since we got it in, I've been putting it on at work. I feel like I need to buy a large size of this. It smells really, really good. It's like floral, but it's also like lighter and fresher. I really, really like it. And then they also sent these little pots of scented shimmer on the finger. You may not be able to see it against my palest of skin. I got from IT Cosmetics the Confidence in a Gel Lotion Hydra Plumping Skin Transforming Weightless Moisturizer. And it is a nice pump. I do like moisturizers in a pump. This one, did you hear the pump? This one's very, very lightweight. I feel like for me, I would layer this, but I do love to layer products, so something light like this with a little something heavier over it, I'm not opposed. I also got a little mini guy of the Bee Hydra Intensive Serum from Drunk Elephant. I think that came with the retinol cream. I got from Kiehl's the Midnight Recovery Concentrate. This is a replenishing elixir of pure essential oils and distilled botanicals to visibly restore the appearance of skin by morning. The bottle says a lot. But that's their like nighttime serum. They're kind of famous for this actually. A lot of people really love it. I have to say I haven't tried a lot from Kiehl's. I also got the First Aid Beauty Pure Skin Face Cleanser, another mini. I think this is pronounced Smacky Complay. But this is a concealer that I think we've stopped carrying. I got 90 Ivory. That's what it looks like there. I think this is one of their like standards that you can get at like Lancome counters. Let me see. Ooh, it looks a little yellow. Look at that. But maybe when I self-tan, I do want to self-tan soon. I feel like as it's kind of coming to an end. I know a lot of people tan in winter. I just kind of go with it. I'm really pale. I don't fight it. But in the summertime, I do like to look tan. I got from Glam Glow the Good in Bed Passion Fruit Softening Night Cream. It came in this little pack. It's a little tiny jar of Good in Bed, the night cream that they came out recently. It smells really good in the jar. Like, it smells like fruity, but when you massage it into the skin, sometimes it smells a little funky. That wouldn't stop me from using it. Like me personally, if it works really well, I don't mind. I think this is a magnet. Good in Bed. I'm pretty sure that's a magnet. And then this little headband. I feel like this would be good for the gym. I also got from Hourglass the Vanish Stick Foundation. They just came out with the Vanish Fluid, which I'm hearing some like mixed reviews about. But I'm still excited to give it a shot. I got the shade Alabaster and the stick. I hope will be okay. I will find a way and make that bad boy work. I also got from Dior the Forever Foundation. So I'm fairly certain that this particular formula has gone away. So I think we got rid of Testers that we had was what it was. This is number 10, which is the lightest shade, which really isn't quite that light. But I'm pretty sure when they came out with new formulas that one was replaced. So I'll probably just, you know, try it out on my own and just see how it goes. I got the Dior Fix It 2-in-1 Prime Conceal for face, eyes, and lips. I also got from Dior the Fix It Prime and Color Correct in the green to help with the redness. I actually have some weird redness right now, right on either side of my nose. Like super red right now. That actually corrected it quite nicely. So I just racked up on some Dior stuff. Very happy about that. I got a little Beauty Blender Solid Cleanser. I think this came out of like a holiday kit. And the very last thing is a Lancome lip liner in the shade 326 Natural Mauve. Right here. It looks like a good everyday. I tend to wear a lot of like neutral mauve-y shades, so I feel like that's perfect for me to outline and maybe overline the lips a little bit. So thank you guys so much for sticking through the gratis haul, even though I look like a big pile of crap. So that is everything that I got in my gratis for February. We do have one more thing to do, and that is our dad joke of the day. I know that I missed it in my last video, and I had a lot of people asking for it. And again, if the dad joke is not your favorite thing, I totally understand. Thank you for watching. I will let you go here, go forth, and enjoy the rest of your evening. Definitely check out more of my videos down below. If you are here for it though, we do have our dad joke of the day. All right, what do you call a pony with a sore throat? A little horse. But a pony is a little horse. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe and leave me a thumbs up if you like these type of videos. And I appreciate you guys watching so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.